All right, so I just got this. It is portable air conditioner, and it's telling me to read all the rules on it. I've taken the liberty of cutting some of these because it was definitely packed super strong. You know what I mean? I mean, they had it packed good. So this right here, I'm gonna pop off. It's all it is just some cardboard. And I believe that this is our hose. Oh, here we go. We're getting it. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is the reason why it's not coming out is because the cords in here, they do that a lot. So let's pop this out. I'll lay that way. Let me just pull this out. All right, you might want to save all this just in case you need to, store it. But bam, here we are. Okay, let me show you what's inside here. All right, so you want to save all this. Here is your hose, and inside of here they packed all of this stuff. So we've got to get all that out of there. And this is your drain hose, and this is your expandable, like accordion type deal. But it's all packed really hard, so we got to be careful doing that. Over here are your sleeves, okay? And so they really have this thing packed well, I have to tell you. Here's the sleeves right here. I'm gonna set these over here, and we'll set everything up once we get it going. So I gotta pull this stuff out of here. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. Once I do that, I can get this. Oh, geez. That does not want to come out of there, does it? All right, there we go. All right. So anyway, you can see how this kind of opens up. You gotta be careful because you don't want to pull it out of here. This is kind of like screwed onto it. Like if I go this way, watch, it'll come off, you see? And then to get it on, I gotta go clockwise if I'm facing me. So let's lock that on there and keep that on there. We don't want to take that off. And then this side is probably gonna be the same thing on the AC itself. So I'm gonna set this over here. And then let's see what we got here. All right, so this is, I believe it looks like it's something you can wrap it up in. Find out. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it. Look at this. Oh no, these are gonna go around some of the equipment. I think it's Velcroed. No, it's not. Then you can tighten it, and this will keep it from leaking air, I guess. But we'll put that over there. And then we got this one. This one's longer. Oh, look at this. Look how long it is. Super long. I'm going to set it over here. And then here, this is your hose. And it's got batteries, and it has a remote in here. So let's go ahead and get that stuff out. This is your drain hose, because it probably will have some condensation, so you're going to need that. And then we have the instructions. Let's hang on to those, we may need them. And we have a remote. And the remote does not have batteries in it because the batteries are right here. Oh, also there's these. I think these may be used on the sleeve, so hang on to those. Here's your batteries. Set that there. Everything's got plastic around it. All right, let's get the plastic off this. Okay, that's that. Okay, now, so we've got these AAAs, I think they are. Yeah, AAA batteries. We got to get them in here, so we're going to push this open. I think we're going to push it open. Yep, there it goes. All right, so remember, flat size negative goes to the spring. So always your flat side to the spring. Just remember that. And then with anything, because you got to do it all. So anyway, here we have a little screen protector on here too. We can take that off. And you can see the batteries are ready to go. Let's set that over here. All right, so that's that, right? Now we've got our cord. They really do wrap it up, don't they? Okay, so anyway, let me just show you the cord. So here's your little circuit breaker. You can test it here. And it's grounded, so this should work good. Now we've got to get the unit itself out of here. So the way you're going to get it out is you're just going to pull the box off of it, and that means I've got to get down here. I got to cut these right here, and because they got these on there, There's one, two. Because you don't want to tilt this. And these are super sturdy. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Once I do that, I can pull this box off of it. Did I get them all? Nope. Oh yes, there we go. This guy here. All right, now the box should just come right up. So I should just do it like this. You see? That's how you do it. And usually they sit in something like this, you know, some plastic. So we want to save these. Maybe I'll lay them down. Put these there. And now we just got to get this stuff out of its packaging. Okay. And I think I should be able to lift it up by these handles right here, and then we should be ready to go. I'm hoping it's got some wheels on it, so it rolls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my feet against the sides here and just going to work it out like that. Oh God, it is heavy. Let me tell you something. So here it is, man. Check it out. All right? Pretty cool. So now we just got to set it up. You know what I mean, jelly beans? And I think we're going to do it in the front room. Yep, I think that's how we're going to do it. All right, so here's everything that comes in the box. You get the unit itself. Once you get it, you're going to have to pull this stuff off right here. These are like little tapes that kind of keep the door on there. So you want to pull those off. And they're super sticky. Go ahead and do that. Okay, so that's done. Over here you have your sleeves, you have your collar, you have your expanding hose, your drainage, you've got your remote, and you've got 2 bolts, 2 washers, and 2 of these. It also comes with this, a small and a large insulation thing. So we've got to do a little bit of reading, but I think we can put it in this window right here, hopefully, and we'll see how she works.